welcome to my channel Faith and Flower. I'm Robin, and today we're in my master bathroom. And as part of my zone cleaning, I'm going to need to clean out my makeup drawer. I need to do a little bit of reorganizing and really cleaning. There's a lot of smudges and smears and things that need to be cleaned up in there. So I thought you might enjoy watching how I do that. And if you stay tuned for my next video, I will show you my evening and morning skincare and makeup routine. So if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and come back for my next video. Let's get started. I'll start by removing things from the drawer. Then as I'm taking things out, I can sort of decide if it's something that I need to keep or toss because it's old or I don't use it anymore. For each of the trays I have in here and for the bottom of the drawer, I will vacuum them out, and then I will use some of my Mrs. Meyer's multi-surface cleaner, and I'm using the lilac scent, that's still my favorite from the spring collection, to go in and clean it out. And I'm using my Norwex cloth as well. It does a great job of removing all of the dirt. Although this one is pretty old and it's a little bit stained, it's going to be very clean when I'm finished with it. As I put away my makeup back in the tray, I will wipe everything down. Things like liquid makeup tend to get a lot of fingerprints and smears on them. Also, I just want to make sure that there isn't any bacteria on the outside that might transfer to the inside of my makeup containers. I also like doing things when I'm cleaning in sections because I like how I have this tray organized, and it just makes it easy for me to put things back the way they were before. I'll just repeat the process for this other larger tray and for the things that I have tucked in behind it. I got both of the trays from Target quite a while ago, and this larger one I really love. It's actually a junk drawer organizer, and I think I found it in the office section at Target. I'm not sure if they still sell them, but I love it because it has all these different compartments that are perfect for keeping things organized. after cleaning my makeup drawer, I'll move on to the drawer beneath it, and this is where I keep all of my hair products and a lot of my skincare products. I found this drawer divider on Amazon, and I absolutely love using it here. I have some in the kitchen as well, but here in this deep drawer in the bathroom, a lot of the bottles and hairspray cans, things like that, would fall over when you open and close the drawer, and when I have them tightly corralled using this divider, they stand up straight and they stay organized. It only took me a few minutes to clean out both of these drawers, and they stay pretty well maintained because I do this as part of my zone cleaning routine, and so it gets done about every 8 weeks. If you are new to zone cleaning, I use the Fly Lady method, and I will link some of my other videos below so that you can check those out as well. If you like this video, let me know by giving me a thumbs up. And if you're new to my channel, I would love to have you subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video where I talk about my skincare and makeup routine. See you then.